Unlocking the mystery of keep on the lookout. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or seen in movies, books, or conversations. Keep on the lookout. This expression is not only common but also paints a vivid picture with just a few words. So, if you've been curious about what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the mystery together. Keep on the lookout is a phrase that means to watch carefully for someone or something to appear or happen. It implies a sense of vigilance and attentiveness, as if you're on a mission to spot something specific among the ordinary. This expression can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more serious or urgent situations. For example, if you're waiting for a friend in a crowded place, you might say, "I'll keep on the lookout for you." Or, in a more urgent context, if there's a warning about a storm approaching, you might hear, "Keep on the lookout for any updates from the weather station." Let's dissect the phrase, keep on the lookout, to understand it better. Keep. This verb suggests continuing an action or maintaining a state. On. In this context, on works as a preposition that connects the action of keeping with the what or whom you're keeping an eye out for. The lookout. This noun phrase conjures images of a person watching carefully or surveying an area. Historically, a lookout was someone assigned to watch for danger or threats, often from a high place. Combining these elements, the phrase encourages someone to remain in a state of alert observation. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use keep on the lookout in everyday English. For upcoming events, let's keep on the lookout for the next concert dates. For missing items or people, we're keeping on the lookout for a lost puppy in the neighborhood. For opportunities, keep on the lookout for any job openings. Remember, the phrase can be adapted to fit different tenses and contexts, making it a versatile tool in your language arsenal. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, keep on the lookout, and how you can use it to add flavor and nuance to your English conversations. It's a great example of how English can be vivid and action-packed, even in its everyday expressions. So, keep on the lookout for more interesting phrases, and don't hesitate to use them as you continue to improve your English skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.